Introducing DolcePack Revo, pre-made pouch fill and seal machine. Engineered to simplify use for operators and increase productivity per square meter with a compact and hygienic design. Revo is available in configurations to package foods like sweets, cereals and snacks, pet food, legumes and flowers, herbs, as well as personal and home care products and liquids. Designed for an automatic changeover in less than 5 minutes, allowing the use of a wide range of bags on the same machine. Revo is fully controlled by servo motors for intuitive adjustments of every function, which are in full view in front of the operator. Easy to run. Easy to clean. DolcePack Standup pouches offer greater shelf visibility and increased brand recognition for consumers. From conventional laminated materials to recyclable materials, Revo is the right filling machine for your needs. DolcePack, fully integrated packaging solutions.